We're not virgins now. We deflowered each other. Like, we have each other's flowers. Sorry. I'm just really excited.
I didn't lose my virginity to you.
Wait, what?
I lost my virginity to Cassie Duvall.
Excuse me? No. You said you were a virgin.
No, I didn't. Because I'm not. And I haven't lied in 2 years.
Oh, Jesus.
Yeah. I've probably slept with 6 people.
You don't even know if it's 6 people?
I don't keep a list.
Why wouldn't you keep a list? We're in high school.
Why are you getting so moody?
You did say you were a virgin.
I think you might have made an assumption.
I just had a whole experience that was wrong.
You're deciding to be upset.
No. I am upset.
Because you're deciding to be. Don't be mad at me for this. That's stupid. You can't be mad at me for something I have no control over now.
I just wanted it to be special.
Why? You're gonna have so much unspecial sex in your life.
Oh my god. I was on top. Who the fuck is on top for their first time?
Do you have any awareness about how many civilians we've killed since the invasion in Iraq started?
Shut up! Shut up! More than one thing can be sad. It's not all war. Are we still going to prom together?
Sure.